Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I will guide you on how to fix the Claude verification code not received issue. So if you're trying to log into your Claude account but you're not receiving the verification code, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. If the connection seems slow or unstable, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or from cellular data back to Wi-Fi. Next, you need to make sure that you entered the correct email address or phone number. Even a small mistake can stop the verification code from arriving. After that, completely close the Claude app and reopen it. Swipe from the bottom of your screen and remove the app from recent apps. Then open Claude again and request a new verification code. You should also try reinstalling the Claude app. Press and hold the Claude app icon and tap on remove app and then delete the app. Another thing you can do is check your spam or junk folder if you're using email verification. Sometimes the verification mail may end up in the spam. And if you're using a phone number, make sure your SIM card is active and able to receive SMS messages. If all this step still does not help you, you should try restarting your phone. Once your phone turns back on, try requesting the verification code again. And if this issue still continues, try using a different device or a browser. So yeah, those are some easy ways to fix the Claude verification code not received issue. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you for watching.